Hey there, savvy shoppers and finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to cancel your Talbots credit card in 2025. If you're looking to part ways with your Talbots card due to better offers or just simplifying your wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. First things first, before you cancel, double-check your account. Log into your Talbots credit card account online or via their app to ensure there are no outstanding balances, pending transactions, or rewards you want to redeem. Paying off any remaining balance is crucial because most cards won't let you cancel until you're all squared away. Once that's sorted, the next step is to contact Talbots customer service. You can call their dedicated number, which you can find on the back of your card or on their website. Be prepared to provide personal information like your full name, account number, and possibly some security details to verify your identity. This is for your protection, so don't skip it. When you get through to a representative, clearly state that you want to cancel your card. They might ask why, but you don't have to share if you don't want to. Make sure to request written confirmation of the cancellation, either via email or mail, so you have proof for your records. This step is super important to protect yourself from any future charges. After the call, keep an eye on your account for a few weeks. Sometimes, it takes a bit for everything to process, especially with potential refunds or final statements. If you have auto payments set up, remember to update those with a new payment method to avoid any disruptions. A quick tip for 2025. Talbots might have updated their policies, so always check their official website for the latest info. Canceling a card can affect your credit score, so if you're planning more financial moves, consider the timing. There you have it. That's how you cancel your Talbots credit card smoothly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.